Hi there. So I got this this Onewheel. I just put a video out like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago or something of me riding, or at least trying to ride the thing. I'm learning. The big thing though is that I can't stand the noise from the rocks that stick to the wheel and fly up and hit the fender here. I stumbled onto this other channel, a gentleman named Jimmy Chang. What he did was went and bought some like 3M undercoating for a vehicle. And I thought that was pretty genius. So all I could find was black. And I didn't really want black sprayed on the inside of my fender. I'm not a very neat person. I'm quite messy. So what I wanted to do was find something that was clear. And what I came up with was that stuff that you see on TV, Flex Seal. I'm gonna let this thing sit in my toolbox. If you're gonna do this, like for real, go outside. Don't do it in an enclosed area. It is pretty potent stuff. Unless you like that sort of thing. I mean, if you're a huffer, whatever, get on it. Flex Seal's the shit. I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you how to live your life. 24 to 48 hours. We'll see you in a bit.
One eternity later.
All right, we waited our 24 to 48 hours. And then a couple days after that, because Pennsylvania decided to go back to winter. Today is summer, and the next 2 days are winter again. Today's pretty much the only day. I am gonna have a buddy with me. His name's Nathan Sam. He, good friend of mine, definitely into electric vehicles, just like myself, but he's like a one-wheel veteran, so we're kind of chilling out, waiting for him. I got my undercoating thing on there. Sounds much better. Way better. And I'm better at riding this thing because of that guy right there. This thing is crazy addicting. My buddy Nathan got me moving today. Taught me all the tips and tricks. And that undercoating, I put 3 layers of Flex Seal on this thing, and it sounds so much better. In comparison to what it did sound like, it's wild. Very happy. But yeah, so here's my second video with this thing. More to come. But until then, catch you dudes later. I honestly recommend the Flex Seal if you're gonna put an undercoating on your fender. Deadens the noise for sure, 100%.